Today, we are reviewing the TKR positioner for total knee replacement. The TKR positioner features track locking brackets that securely lock the base plate to the table with 2 thumb screws and can lock in any position with a simple turn of the wrist. The ball track system is a huge leap forward for total knee replacements. The smooth sliding motion provides effortless leg positioning in a safe and easy manner and eliminates the need for leg positioners, sandbags, or gel pads. Attach the rail clamp to the rail. Flip locking lever right or left to secure. Securely tighten the track system crossbar by turning the rail clamp star knob to the right. Slide the base plate into the cross support bar, making sure it's flush. Tighten the 2 star knobs by turning to the right. Slide the adjustable slide block onto the track system. Place the adjustable boot ball into the track system's adjustable slide block. Line the boot with SchureMed sterile disposable boot liner. Prep and position the patient. Turn the side block locking handle right to lock into desired position. Secure ankle with Coban wrap before beginning procedure. The TKR positioner establishes the gold standard for total knee replacement procedures. The TKR positioner is designed and manufactured at SchureMed's world-class facilities here in the United States. The TKR positioner has been designed to increase surgical performance while maximizing patient safety. At SchureMed, we are designing and building the future of patient positioning.